Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Elasticsearch snapshots and indexes on AWS step by step clearly. To start restoring Elasticsearch snapshots on AWS, first, ensure your Elasticsearch cluster is running. Access your AWS Management Console and navigate to the Elasticsearch Service section. Select the domain where you want to restore the snapshot. Click on the Snapshots tab to view available snapshots. Identify the snapshot you wish to restore. Note the snapshot repository name and snapshot ID. Open the Kibana console or use a command line tool to connect to your Elasticsearch cluster. If using Kibana, go to the Dev Tools section. To restore an entire snapshot, use the following command: put /_snapshot/ repository /snapshot. If restoring indexes, specify the indices parameter to limit the restoration. Put /_snapshot/ repository /. After executing the command, Elasticsearch will process the restore request. Monitor the progress in the Kibana console or through the logs. Once the restoration is complete, verify the restored indexes. You can check the status by running get/_cat/indices v. Ensure that the indices you restored are listed and in the green status. For further verification, query the restored indices to confirm the data is intact. If necessary, adjust index settings or mappings as needed post-restore. Your Elasticsearch snapshots and indexes are now successfully restored on AWS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security, and after signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.